Maraming salamat sa ating mga minamahal na governors.
The President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr.
Executive Secretary Ralph Recto, please be seated. The members of the cabinet who are here today, Senator Paulo Benigno Aquino IV, who is the committee chairman for basic education in the Senate, by our Deputy Secretary Sani Angara, the group to whom this effort is really directed to, our teachers, our parents, and welcome to Malacanang. So today we formalize the partnership between the DepEd and the different provinces around the country. And it is an effort to make sure that every Filipino student has a safe and decent classroom to learn in. I have seen many of the struggles that our students, our teachers, and our parents face when having to send their children to school. They are studying and dreaming of a better future in poorly built facilities, cramped spaces, and sometimes no facilities at all. As of December of last year, we have a classroom shortage that amounts.
Let me go to classrooms. Ilan na po ang nagawang classroom ng DPWH for 2025? At ilan po yung projected na magagawa po ninyo for 2025?
Abanto. So, for 2025 po, out of 1,700 na dapat gawin, 22 pa lang po ang completed. At meron pong 882 na not yet even started. So, it's a very deplorable rate of only 15.43%.
Exactly. So, ito po kasi yung ito yung resulta ng mga issues ho natin with the agency, our issues with flood control. Isipin nyo po, Sec, naging priority ang flood control for the past year, no?
December of last year, we have a classroom shortage that amounts to a stunning 145,000 units. How we have allowed this to become such a bad situation, I cannot understand. Dahil sa kakulangan ng silid-aralan, gumagawa tayo ng ilang shift ng pasok para sa mga estudyante. Kaya yung iba madaling araw nang papasok at yung iba naman gabing-gabi na. At saka pa lang lalabas sa eskwela. Nandyan na rin ay mga mag-aaral na nagkaklase sa mga basketball court o kuminsan sa ilalim lang ng puno. And this is the gap that we must address urgently. It is the reason why this administration has been finding all kinds of alternative ways that we can immediately close this yawning gap. Because we cannot wait another 5 or 10 years to ensure that every student has a comfortable classroom. So we have initiated this partnership with the local government units. That is one of our strategies. We are changing the system because the process that we have now is much too slow. With this initiative, we can take a big bite out of that gap. And under this partnership, the DepEd will set technical standards, provide designs, and supply the funding for these classrooms. On the other hand, the LGUs will take the lead in their procurement and actual construction. Ang kakaiba nito, yung mga governor, naintindihan nila ito. Madalas ang national government nagbibigay sa inyo ng additional function, pero walang pondo.